As part of Jira administration, learning is concerned, especially customized filters creation, JQL part. In the previous sessions, we discussed about two customized filters that are to be created. That is what something that we create. Before I'm getting into this, let me explain you what are the different types of filters that we have. Generally, when we try to understand about the type of filters and all, we have different filters. The first one about the basic filters. Basically, basic filters are majorly used to uh, like filters like drop down, like assignee, status, report, label, right? So that we can quickly refine the views without any coding, etc. This is all about the basic filters we can create. Second, about JQL part, because JQL filters can be created because these are all to save any kind of queries, right? So which can be used for any dashboards or reports. So to define any kind of board content, for that jQuery filters are being used. At the same time, the third one about the quick filters, because if you want to configure in board settings to add any kind of buttons instantly, so that filters the board, separating the Kanban work by items, etc. For that, quick filters can be used. And last but not least, in Kanban, we use subfilters, which will be used in the Kanban so that we can specify the filters in Kanban boards so that we can differentiate the active reports, views from the report data, etc. Everything can be used in this. So these are the different boards which we can create whenever we are working on the Jira administration point of view. So in this process of learning, we have already discussed about how to create customized filters. I have created few. One is about my open issues is the first one I have created. Second, about high priority bugs is the second one which I have created. Now I'm going to create few more so that one should have a better understanding more. Want to have a better understanding, I'm going to create a few more filters here. For example, here you can go with uh, yeah, create customized filters. We can go with. So we have to provide the name for that. Mm, Resolved PI issues. Okay. Unresolved priority one issues, right? So priority one issues we want to write. Okay. Priority one issues must be addressed. Okay, must be addressed. That is what I have taken, right? So for that, what is the filter query we have to create? Okay. Normally it is a priority, you know that, right? So priority is the first one we have taken. So priority equal to P1. Okay. So we have taken P1 into consideration. P1. Okay. So priority equal to P1. Because it's a priority issues we are taken, right? At the same time, we need to add end for this end resolution, uh, which is equal to unresolved. Unresolved. Okay. So unresolved PA issues, priority, which is equal to P1 and resolution equal to unresolved. So this is how we have to create a P1 issues like priority P. Let me take P as taken. Hmm. We can create. Okay. High priority. Okay. I'm just mentioning. Let me check. High we have. High we have. Okay. We have high. Right. So high priority issues is something that I am taking so that we can create the high priority. So that here we can see we have created a P1 which is a high priority item because as in when it was not there. So priority one issues which is considered as high priority we can create. So unresolved high issues we need to create. Next one about one more for recent activity. Recent activity I'm taking. Update the recent activity. Okay, that's what taken. So now for this, we need to update. Okay, updated. Updated must be greater than or equal to. That is more important. That's greater than or more equal to. For example, 2 weeks. Okay. For example, we have 2 weeks. We have to mm, end of the day. I'm taking. Okay. We have to take end of the day. Otherwise, end of the day. Recent activity. End of the day. Let me take recent activity. End of the day. Right. So we are reacting. End of the day, we are taken. Right. So this is one more customized filter we have created. Next, we are creating one more for unscheduled risk. Unscheduled work. Instead. Okay, we need to fix the version first. Okay, fix the version. That's important. Fix the version is empty. Okay, and and project equal to project. Project equal to project taken. Project is project taken. Project equal to, otherwise this is insurance management system, right? So let me take insurance management system. For that, insurance management application. Project equal to insurance fixed version empty, project equal to insurance management application. So this is how generally this customized filters, etc. Everything we have to create from an admin point of view, or we may be a developers or admin point of view. Understanding how to create customized filters, etc. This is something that we must be good and familiar.